Yes. Just like this, I said, is the foundation of the matter before the elections. We've canvassed argument both left and right, and it may not be proper to be canvassing arguments in the media. Our contention is that is the letter with which the Federation intervened in the affairs of OSUN State. So the elections will look at the two sides, and Almighty God shall bless the wisdom of the elections. That's it on that one. Remember two cases were taken. The first one, he said we should not withdraw it. This was withdrawn and it was struck out. We are referring to that as at time we filed that case, the letter we have not gotten it. That was what we were referring to. So, but we put everything in our brief, and we trust in God, we trust in the wisdom of the elections. So we put everything in our written brief. You remember that in an attempt to move on, I all these things on your brief, I said yes. And you remember that the cases, there are several cases in court. So we may not take time to repeat all those things that we have put in the rule of argument. That's it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes.